Hello Smarties. Today our topic of discussion is square and square root. Well, it is no ordinary shape, okay? But numbers within a shape. A bit confused? Don't worry. Let me give you an example. Writing numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4. Just a basic multiplication. If we do, then there are certain things that we are going to get. Let's see them. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 4 4s are 16. Well, this is the simple multiplication that we can see. Well, the fun is here. When we draw a box like this with 2 and 2 on the last side, the multiplication we get is 4. Similarly, in case of 3, when we do 3 and 3 multiply, the last is 9. And in case of 4 into 4, the last multiplication number is 16. Well, what is the meaning of all this? It means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. It can be written as 2 on top squared. Squared. In case of 3's square, let us see. 3 into 3, that is equal to 3 square. Not 3 3. 3 square, which means 9. And in case of 4 into 4, what will it be? 4 squared, which means 4 4s are 16. This 2 and 2 which is written on top, it is called squared. That means 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and it will so on go continuously. That means if we multiply a number with itself, we can write it in the form of square. Okay, this is just an example of a multiplication table to show these 2, 3, 4 and so on numbers are all perfect square. Okay, this is very simple. Okay, one more thing let me tell you. We can also have negative. These are all positive numbers which you can see. There can be negative numbers also, like 2 into 2. That means a number is being multiplied by itself. It can be written as minus 2 squared. And we know when we multiply minus and minus, it becomes positive 4. That means 2 squared minus 2 squared is the same. That is 4. And so on. Similarly, we can do in the case of 3 also. Like minus 3 square means 9. Why? Because minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to plus 9. Multiplication of minus and minus will make it plus. This is the way how square is being formed. I believe square is very simple to understand. Now, let us talk about another interesting part. What is it? It is square root. Well, what do you mean by square root? When 3 is squared, it becomes, square. 3 square becomes 9, and 9 square root will become 3. Just the opposite. That means we have to find out the factors which 9 is divisible. 3. That means the factors of 9 is equal to 3 into 3. If this exactly 3, if a number is again multiplied by itself, as we told you, this is a reverse process, is square, and we can write the number when it is divided into 2. That means if there are two similar factors, it is called a pair. Pair means two numbers of the same type. So we can write 9 square is equal to 3. 9, the square root of 9 is equal to 3. Similarly, other sums, like if we have to find out the square root of 16, 36. Fine. Let's get a bigger number. 36. 36 means which two numbers when multiplied by itself gets 36? 6 6 are 36. That means a pair of number is 6 into 6. That means square root of 36 is nothing but 6. Okay, let's try a larger number. Maybe it will be a bit more easier to understand. 6, 36. Now you have to learn all the squares and square root. It's better to learn till 15, you know. I mean, you should know what is 15 square. And you should know that then it will be easy for us to know the square root also. It's either way around. Right. Let's get an example like 196. 196, we have to find out the square root of 196. Let's find the factors. Well, let's start with 2. I am doing a quick calculation just to make you understand. This is simple dividing. I am finding out the simple divisions to get the factors. It means 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. This is getting one pair. 2 into 2 is one pair. 7 into 7 is another pair. So 2 into 2 means we know it's 2 square. 7 into 7 means 7 square. This can be also written as 2 into 7 means 14 square. Hence 196 means 14. Any one number when we have written, it will get 14 square. So from here we can write it is 14. That means 14 square is equal to 196 and square root of 196 is 14. Just the opposite. That is why I said it is better to learn the tables, the square root table till 15. It will be for better health. 14 is a perfect square because there was no other divisible or divisor left other than 1. So 14 is a perfect square. The squares which I drew here, just like that. 14 is a